you see in the video.
From the time the officers get out of the car to the time the two men are in handcuffs, everything happened very quickly, less than a minute. Police released footage from 4 different officers. The incident is still under investigation, but they say the officer's firearm went off unintentionally.
Get on the ground! Get it!
While attempting to arrest 2 men on July 27th, NOPD shot one suspect and hit the other with a car. Wednesday, NOPD released the body camera footage. According to police, the shooting of the suspect was accidental. The car collision is still under investigation.
Violent crime is a major priority for us, especially when you're dealing with homicide and 2 murderers, pretty much. We want to make sure no one was hurt. However, this was not an intentional shooting by the officer.
According to police, the 2 men were suspects in a double shooting that happened earlier that day in the 3900 block of Uoa Street. The shooting left a woman dead and a man injured. Police say video footage captured the 2 suspects leave the scene of the homicide in a white vehicle.
Within 2 hours of the incident, our detectives were able to locate the vehicle, and we set up on it.
Don't move! Don't move! Don't move!
Police say when they found the 2 men on Painter Street and tried to stop them, the men started to run. The released body camera footage shows officers start to run and tell the suspects to get down.
Get on the ground! Don't move!
Then, all of a sudden, you see at least 2 officers fall. Another officer then handcuffs one suspect who has a wound in his left leg. He says, "You shot me." The angle of the video does not show the exact moment the gun went off. The video shows an officer cutting the suspect's right pant leg to reveal a gun. The officers put a tourniquet on his leg. Police say the accidental discharge happened when the officer collided with the suspect.
I do believe that they were dealing with what they believe to be 2 homicide suspects, so this weapon would have been out. The collision, I don't know what happened after the collision. We'll have to get that from the officer. That's still ongoing. But that I could see where that would be a problem and where it actually went off.
In another angle of the incident, the second suspect is seen running in the opposite direction. An NOPD car can be seen driving towards him, and the man suddenly falls to the ground. Police say that is still being investigated. Both the officer who fired his gun and the officer driving that car that hit the suspect have been administratively reassigned. The suspects were booked with multiple charges, including resisting arrest. They have also been charged in connection with the homicide.